And we have breaking news out of Malaysia. Malaysian Prime Minister Muhyiddin Yassin has announced a nationwide lockdown to curb the spread of COVID-19 in the country. It will take effect from Wednesday until the end of the month. Now, this comes after the number of cases in Malaysia surged past 500.
Keutamaan kerajaan kita pada masa ini adalah untuk mencegah penularan baru wabak ini yang dibimbangi akan menjangkiti lebih ramai rakyat. Situasi semasa wabak ini memerlukan tindakan drastik diambil bagi memulihkan keadaan secepat mungkin. Dan untuk itu kerajaan memutuskan untuk melaksanakan Perintah Kawalan Pergerakan mulai 18 Mac 2020 iaitu lusa hingga 31 Mac 2020 di seluruh negara.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and very good morning. I am Muhammad Amin bin ZAINUDDin. So today, I would like to discuss about ways to protect or take care our mental health during this pandemic or during Movement Control Order MCO that have announced by our Prime Minister Tan Sri Muhyiddin Yassin in March last year. This COVID-19 virus has started spreading in December 2019 in Wuhan and Hubei in China and has spread around the world, causing many deaths and affecting daily life, job loss, and impact on the national economy. However, the question is, do you know this pandemic can impact our mental health if you do not know how to manage it properly? So, my main point is, first is exercise regularly, second is stay connected with people, and the last is reach out for support from family members, friends, and counseling. I would like to begin my first main point, which is exercise regularly. Practicing a healthy lifestyle can help maintain our health and body for the long term. Practicing a healthy lifestyle means we are trying to keep and get used to a healthy life, include a healthy eating, physical activities, weight management, and stress management. Such as always practice a healthy diet, push up at least 2 times a day, or walking. It can help to reduce our weight and can burn calories. At the same time, it's good for our respiratory system, which is when we keep practice, your calories stuck in your respiratory system will burn. Other than that, when we walking while taking a deep breath, our muscle can gain a lot of oxygen and can increase our energy level. At the same time, it's good for our cardiovascular system. Furthermore, we also must arrange our time to do some exercise for at least 2.5 and spend time with family members or friends such as jogging, gardening, watch movies together, and do some house chores. At the same time, we can strengthen the relation between family members and reduce the cholesterol that clog in our arteries. Okay, let's move on to my other main points, which is stay connected with people. Share problem with a loved one or friends can help us to protect our mental health during this hard time. It can help us to release tension, forget about the problems that we have, and keep our mind stay positive. In the same way, we can share and hear each other's problems and able to release the load that we have in the head. During this time also, we must stay connected with people, especially family members. Instead of that, we can use the technologies to communicate with them, such as using a video call, emails, or text message. Or maybe we can join in the social group or learning new skill on online platforms such as digital skills, cooking, and maybe a new language. I have pointed out earlier that stay connected with people is one of the ways to protect our mental health during this pandemic and taught us to fill our free time with the whole world thing. Let's turn to look at my last main point, which is reach out for support from family members, friends, or counseling. Seeking people that can understand us, such as family members, friends, or counseling, can help us to solve our problem and can be a place to express and share our feelings. Hiding feelings of loneliness alone is the most dangerous thing in life, especially during this pandemic, and it will harm us. Therefore, we must know that it's important to have a close friend or someone you can trust to express your problem or your feelings during this time. Thus, we can see that all the points that I mentioned nearly teach us how to handle or protect our mental health during this pandemic and teach us to become a positive and productive people. In the conclusion, I want to highlight back my main point. First is exercise regularly. Second is stay connected with people. And the last one is reach out for support from family members, friends, or counseling. They have a lot of ways to protect our mental health during this challenging time. And I hope we can learn something about how to manage and protect our health, especially our mental health. VL Elena said that if your body is not right, the rest of your day will go wrong. Take care of yourself. And from the Malay proverb that say, prevention is better than cure. From that, we can conclude that taking care of our health is very important, especially during this pandemic. So that's all for my speech. Thank you very much.